Hi students, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to start a new lecture series on operating system. So as you all know, operating system is one of the most important, most scoring and yes, most interesting unit under computer science. So as this is our lecture number 1, we'll start with basic introduction of operating system, its objectives and applications. This video lecture series will definitely help you score good marks in your college level examination as well as for your any competitive examination. So let's move to the introduction part first. As you can see here, operating system is nothing but it is an interface between a computer user and computer hardware. So in computer language, we always know computers users are the end users. Every person who use computer is the end user of a computer. So there is an interface between user of a computer and computer hardware, for example your monitor, your keyboard, your CPU, etc. The interface that is used to connect a user to the hardware, a user to the software under this computer system is called as the operating system. In simple words, we can say that an operating system is a system that helps us to operate or use any of the software, any of the application under our computer system, our laptops or our mobile phone. Okay, so as you all know students, we have so many operating systems. You must have learned about Windows. Windows is what? It is nothing but an operating system for your computers or for your laptops. We all use the Android mobile phones. So Android is what? It is nothing but it is an operating system made for your mobile devices, right? So I hope you this is clear to all of you that operating system is an interface between computer users, that is end user, and the computer hardware. An operating system is a collection of software that manages computer hardware resources and provide common services for computer programs. Okay, so this is very important statement. It means processing of data, running any application in your computer or mobile system, file management and handling the memory is all managed by computer operating system or mobile operating system, right? As we have discussed here, Windows is an operating system for your computer and laptops. Android is an operating system for your mobile phones. Also, you have heard about Mac. Mac is what? It is an operating system that you can use with your iPhone, right? So all these are the examples of operating systems which are generally used nowadays. So operating system is a vital component of the system software in a computer system, and this tutorial will take you through step-by-step approach while learning operating system concepts. Okay, so I hope this is clear to all of you. One more statement I would like to add here is an operating system is the program. It is what? It is the program that after being initially loaded into your computer. For example, let's say this is my computer. When I load an operating system into my computer by a boot program, it always manages all the other application programs in a computer. For example, under my computer, let's say I'm recording this video by using OBS. I'm using PPT. I have so many other softwares in my computer, in my laptop. Okay, so if my operating system is working properly, only then I will be able to use all these softwares, right? Overall, this means what? If my operating system is not working properly, if my operating system is corrupted, then I will not be able to run any of the software available in my computer system. Also, an operating system is a software package that runs all the applications and servers as a communication link. We have told you about the interface. Interface is what? It is also called a communication link. Okay, so an operating system is a software package that runs applications and serves as a communication link between your computer user and the hardware. Okay, so all these statements are very important. Now let's move to the basic diagram of your operating system. So this is what this is: computer user. These are the computer users, or we can say these are the end users. Okay, now as an end user, if you want to contact with your computer software or hardware, you always need an operating system. We have so many types of operating system. Majorly we'll talk about system softwares and application softwares. Okay, so we will discuss these two software types in next video. Now let's move to one more important point, that is functions of using operating systems. So basically we have four functions that are very important for our examination. First is convenience, another is efficiency, another is ability to evolve, and another is management of system resources. So what is the meaning of convenience? An operating system improves the use of a machine. An operating system enable users to get started on the things they wish to complete quickly without having to cope with the stress of first configuring the system. This is called convenience of using operating system. Right. Next we have efficiency. So an operating system enables the efficient use of resources. We have so many resources, like if I want to use any of the applications under my computer system, if I want to use any software, any hardware, our operating system allow us to efficiently use all these resources, and this is due to less time spent configuring the system. Our operating system always use very less time spent configuring our computer system. Okay, because operating system always know all the configurations on which it is going to run. Next is ability to evolve. So an operating system should be designed in such a way that it allow for the effective development, testing and introduction of new features without interfering the services. So this is the ability to evolve. Next is management of system resources. So it guarantees that resources are shared fairly among various processes and users. So resources are what? Resources are, let's say, printer. In my computer system, I have used printer, right? I have connected this computer with my printer. Now, if I want my printer to be connected with some other computer system, then it allow us to share the resources. Okay, so operating system always guarantees that resources means printer and other devices, are shared fairly among various processes and users. So all these are the important functions of using operating system. Now, next point we have applications of operating system. So we have basically five applications. First is security, another is control over system performance, job accounting, error detecting aids, and coordination between other software and users. So what is the meaning of security? By means of adding any type of password or some other techniques that will definitely help a user to secure their confidential data. So by means of password and similar other techniques, it prevents unauthorized access to program and data. So we always know only with the help of operating system we can use any of the application. Okay, so with the help of operating system we can set password to our computer system, to our laptops, or to our mobile phones. Okay, so when we set a password to our system, then it will definitely help us to save our data. It will definitely help us to make our data or confidential things secure. Next point is control over system performance. So recording delays between request for a services and response from the system is taken under this category. Next is job accounting. So keeping track of time and resources used by various jobs and users. So job accounting means what? For example, I'm using a printer and I have given a command to my printer to print 10 pages, right? So when, let's say, my first page, for to print my first page, my computer or my printer will use 30 seconds. For my second page it will take 10 seconds, for my third page it will take 60 seconds, yani ki 1 minute. Okay, so job accounting is very important role of an operating system. It always focus on some things like it does not allow a process to wait more than its required time. This is one of the major important application of using operating system. Job accounting is one of the most important topic for our examination point of view, so we will discuss everything in detail in next video. This is a separate topic in next session. Okay, next is error detecting aids. So production of some dumps, traces, some error messages, and some other debugging or error detecting aids are taken under this category. Next point is coordination between other softwares and users. So coordination and assignment of compilers, interpreters, assemblers, and other software to the various users of the computer system. So here we have talked about three important points, that is compilers, interpreters, and assemblers. So as computer science students, you must know all these points. So if you have any doubt in these topics, you can comment below. So that's all for today. If you have any doubt, you can easily comment below. I will definitely help you. So thanks for watching the session.